Hello YouTubers. Today we've got a 70 Roadrunner, one of my favorite castings. This is a convention piece. Kind of a little leery to work on this one. This is getting to be an expensive car, but we'll do it anyway. Well, we've got it drilled apart. Awesome. And I've got a problem with the post being here in the front, so I'm going to have to cut in behind it again and make it big enough where the engine will fit and put one in there. Wow, this is some strong metal. I'm going to be filing for a long time, I think. This is going to be one stubborn piece of metal. Found an engine. See if I got it. The hole cut big enough for it. I guess not. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I do. Oh, my gravy. Look at that, would you? Oh yeah, looking good. The engine's a little bit too big, causing me to have to adjust my windshield just a tad. So, just gonna cut out a, I don't know if this is a good idea or not. I hope it's not gonna be a disaster. Just need a little room. A little room. Man, this thing is really tough. Man, everything's tough. Jeez, what this stuff's made out of. Okay, got the engine in. Got the windshield in, interior's in. Work on the wheels next. Cut another piece of tubing and raise the front wheels up. Put a little super glue in behind it, hold it in place. Put some wheels on the back. And I think we're about ready to put this back together. Okay. Shoo! Having a hard time talking. Almost fitting in there. Okay. I love you too. Putting the final touches to it. Went ahead and added some side pipes. Okay. I think it looks better with the side pipes. Got me one bad bird. Where's that coyote now? Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you on the next one.